All right, hello. This is a form. It is called an SSRF form. This happens to be the one for my first session. These are specific per class. So SSRF is actually short for whatever this says up here. You may have filled one of these out before. For example, if you're taking, maybe earth science at Grays Lake, maybe they can dual enroll you over at the College of Lake County and you can earn college credits while you do it in high school. This is the name of the class for my session 1. That's the class you're going to be enrolling for. As long as you get a C or higher in my class, I'm able to get you college credit. The CLC ID number, the first thing on here, must be the one for the College of Lake County. It is not your Tech Campus ID. That's important for you to understand. These should be your legal last and first name. So if you go by Johnny, make sure you put in Jonathan if that's your legal last and first name. Very important, you pay attention to last and first. You don't want to get these reversed. This is the information they require. The high school that you put here is your home high school. You don't have to live in Lake County for this. That's something that's well worth noting, because if you live in McHenry County and you later take a class at CLC, there is an additional charge for living out of county. However, through the dual and credit process, there is no charge to a student or family for it. This is what they call boilerplate or templated language. It's the same for everybody, and it has to do with CLC. Again, that's different than me. These are the 2 signatures I need, one from the student, one from the parent. So this form is going to be sent out to everybody in first session, and then they'll have the opportunity to complete this form. The forms must be returned to me as soon as possible, as soon as today, as late as Friday. I've got to get them in by Friday. So what I would do is I would consider this to be due tomorrow, and then give yourself a little bit of fallback for the week. The other things that are going to be going out in the email are going to include a cover letter that explains this in a little bit more detail. Bottom line, I think the best way there's a lot of words here, and I understand that parents are busy. So I think the best way to explain this is there's a lot of details available, and the teacher explained to us that, aside from all this legalese that everybody's welcome to read, I'm not trying to discourage that. If you fill out the form with everything but the parent signature, like you signed it, you've got your CLC ID number, I bet you they'll go ahead and sign it and get it turned in, and you got a chance at college credit. If, however, you just show them the form like, I don't know what's going on here, then they're going to have a lot of questions too. So I'm going to encourage you now, as I stop this demo, to think, do I have any questions about what's going on, and to ask them. So I'm going to stop this recording here.